How to make a return on Asos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can make a return on Asos. In order to make a return on Asos, first of all, you have to go ahead and log in into your account. So for that, you need to open up a browser and then on the web address by typing www.asos.com and log in into your account by entering your credential. So basically what you'll have to do is you need to go to your order section. So for that, you need to press on the profile icon, and from there you need to go to my orders. As you click on my orders, that's going to direct you to the order section page, and over here you need to select the product that you actually wish to return. So just go ahead and tap on the return button located underneath the product detail, and accordingly sometimes you might be charged with some fine for doing this procedure, and you have to pay the certain amount. Only then you'll be able to return the product. So in this way, you can make a return on Asos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.